Good morning, children. Good morning to parents also. I hope kids they know the place where we are in today. This is your class, playgroup class. And guess who is here? Nadisha teacher is here with us, and also Dilhani teacher. You can turn over because she's taking the video for us today. Okay, right. So I hope all the kids are safe at home, and according to what we know, we won't be able to reopen school right now. Maybe towards end of June or maybe July, so we never know. So since we have some work to do with the playgroup kids also, we thought we'll do a short video just for the information of parents to continue with this work. So I have the books here with us. We are arranging, actually we are going to get approval to ask parents to come and collect the textbooks for us, and if it is possible, we are able to hand it over by end of this week. And at the same time, parents now, Nadisha teacher will be doing a video of introducing some flowers and some leaves. So actually this is for work for 2 weeks, like, so no need to rush. And even if your kids are not and even if your kids are not attending or not interested, that's also fine. Once we reopen school, we will make sure that we will repeat the same with you. So now it's up to Nadisha teacher. She will do what is required, and if we are unable to hand over the textbooks, try to get the copies or handprint. And please parents, whatever, it doesn't need to be accurate, it doesn't need to be neat, whatever your kids are doing, please make sure that you arrange it properly, neatly in one folder, and once the kids start school, hand it over to your teacher. Thank you. Stay safe. Nadisha. Thank you.
Hi children, today I am going to introduce you about flowers. Now you can see I have many flowers on the table here, and you can go to the garden with your mummies and daddies and ask them to pick some flowers for you and take them to the basket and bring them in, and parents can allow your child to do some sensory play with flowers. Maybe they can play with flowers, play with petals, they can put flowers into the water and make a nice soup with flowers. So there are some sensory activities you all can do with your children. And also while they are playing, you all can introduce the flowers. You can name them and you can show their colors of the flowers, and you can show flowers with few petals, flowers with many petals, and flowers with one petal. So those different kind of flowers you all can show to your children and introduce. And also now here you all can see I have few flowers, and this is a flower with one petal, and this is anthurium flower, and this is a flower with many petals, rose flower. So those things you all can introduce to your children. And also important thing is you can introduce many colors. You can introduce red color, yellow color, and if you have blue color flowers, you all can introduce different colors to the children. And once you introduce the names, if you get these books by next week, you all can do the activities on the books. Otherwise, we will send you worksheets. And this is the activity we have on the workbook. And here we have flowers. We have anthurium, sunflower. All these flowers you all can introduce to your child. And there's a page here. You can turn the page flowers here. It is page number 20. You peel the picture and paste here, right? So while the child is peeling the pictures and pasting, parents can introduce the names, and also you all can talk about the colors. And that is one activity you all can do with your children. And here I have phonics book. This is called my book of phonics, and here we have f sound, f for flower. So you can introduce the sound and let the child to color the flower. This is also a parallel activity you all can do with your children. And this is one activity. And also we have the coloring book. This is the coloring book. Can you all see? Fun with coloring. And you all can do the coloring here. You can use color pencils when you all are doing this book. And this is page number 53. You can color this page. And also there's another page 30, page number 30. You can ask the child to color these pictures, right? And apart from that, we have the scrapbook. This is the scrapbook. You all will get the book. Otherwise, you can use a paper. You draw a flower and give the child to do a flower sticking. And here what you can do is you can ask the child to put some seeds or something here. Maybe pumpkin seeds you all can paste on the middle. And on the petals, you all can give the real petals and ask the child to paste. And that also another parallel activity you all can do under the flower theme. Right. This is the activity book 2. We were supposed to start this book on the 3rd term. So if you get this book, you all can do this activity. And this is page number 1. What you have to do is you get the child to trace the line first. So we have a straight line here. You have to take 2 fingers and trace on the line, right? You ask the child to trace on the line, show them how to do this from top to bottom. You trace from top to bottom. Tell your child, trace from top to bottom, right? Then you can use maybe glitter sheets or stickers or maybe sequins and ask the child to do sticking on the line. That also you have to guide the child to do from top to bottom, right? And this activity also a parallel activity you all can do with your child under the flower theme, right? So apart from that, you can do the painting activities with children. You can take a flower and dip the flower in the paint and take it and you can press it on the paper to make a nice beautiful flower picture. And also after doing painting, you can ask the child to look at the flowers and do some drawing. You can give a paper and ask the child to do a drawing. It doesn't need to be perfect. It's just their imagination. You can improve their imagination with that. Ask the child to do a nice drawing with them. So these are the activities you all can do with your children under the flowers theme. And I hope your child will enjoy doing the flower activities.